Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 4.1 question number 6. Set up an equation in the following cases. Number 1. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Take M to be the number of Parmit's marble. Let us solve this equation. Now the first one is, here you see the first one is, let 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 M be the let M be the be the number M be the number of Parmis marbles. Therefore, according to the question, it will be 5 times the marble, that is 5m plus 7, and that will be equal to 37. Right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be y years. Let Lakshmi's age let Lakshmi's age be y years. Now, according to the question, that is 3 times Lakshmi's age, that is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Right? Let's solve question number 3. Question number 3 is, here you see, question number 3 is the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. Take the lowest marks to be L. Let question number 3 is, let the lowest marks let the lowest score let the lowest score be L. Therefore, according to the question, twice of L plus 7 is equal to 87. Right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Let the base angle be in degrees. Remember that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Suppose this is a triangle. Here it is given that the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Suppose the base angle is B. This is B and this is B. And this is the vertex angle. Here it is given that the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Twice, that is 2B. It is 2B. And we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, according to the question, let the base angle let the base angle be in degrees. Therefore, according to the question, and we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, B plus B plus 2B is equal to 180 degree. 80 degree. That is 2 plus 3 4 4B. 4B is equal to 180 degree, equal to 180 degree, right? An angle sum property of a triangle. This is angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.